Yeah, I do like the door frames that you see in these places. Like Caesar's Palace.
Flatline. You know, these we're always screen on so much. The sun was following there, but the concept was so it takes it that
Can you get 20 for me, please? Thank you.
You smell nice. Oh yeah, I was by myself. My friend's at a conference right now.
Good.
We'll go later.
It's hot outside.
Yeah, but it's windy, so.
It's windy.
It's not so
I noticed
bad.
that.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm gonna go later.
I thought it will too, so.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The indicator doesn't seem to work. Let's send this one down. We'll get the one with the working indicator here. 6 cars in this bank. Which one's it? These are busy as hell. Old chime. Hello.
Hello. 2000. I thought this show was built.
Does this have a working indicator? No. None of them do.
It works on C and that's it.
Yeah, they all do that. It's weird.
Yeah.
Weird glitch.
Mitsubishi doesn't maintain this tower, so you should maybe consider.
Stopping on somewhere.
On a floor.
20.
I don't know why I thought this tower was built in like 93 or 94. So
Anyway, look at these doors.
Awesome.
It's really cool. Anyway, that's it.